Welcome to Hennepin Marine, and in front of us here is a 2024 Excel Eclipse. This is a brand new model from Excel Boats. This boat is shown in the natural gear gray paint upgrade. New color for this boat also. Has bow LED lights, has two gray seats with poles, sitting on a Diamond City single axle bunk trailer. This is a matte black trailer with spare tire. An overview inside the boat. Powered by a Mud Buddy 40 EFI HDR. And let's climb inside and look at this new Eclipse from Excel. Welcome aboard the Excel Eclipse. Start the bow here. Have our bow LED headlight there. Spud pole bracket off to the side. Nice heavy duty tie off spot for rope or anchor. Bow troller kit. Boat does have an 11-gallon integrated fuel tank with an easy fill here on the port side of the boat. Fuel tank is right down here underneath this mesh canvas. Back in the cockpit area, we got a nice long storage area on the port side as well as on the starboard side here. Spud poles are laying there for the boat. Rear of the boat, grab bar for running the Mud Buddy, or you can run it from the seat. Nice roomy area here off to the port side. Drink holder, all your accessory switches, and internal LED lights, fuel gauge, US Coast Guard tag, 4-person capacity, 55 horsepower max motor. On this boat we have the Mud Buddy 40 HDR EFI. Controls for the motor there, trim, momentary reverse, and then your reverse switch, throttle kill switch, and your bilge pump and battery storage in this back compartment. If you have any questions regarding the new Excel Eclipse or any of our boats here at Hennepin Marine, give us a call or send us a text to 815-925-7216. Thanks for watching.